This is how high the drain is. This is not actually a river. The tide on the main river, which is past that bridge, and that's the docks, that's the River Haven, that the tide must be high because they can't let that water out. There's a pumping station there which is not used anymore. They had a bright idea of that they didn't need it, but it's really bad because last year with the bad weather we got water in the garden. Now this it will flood. It will definitely flood the underpass at the bridge that I just showed you. And all the ducks make of it. There we go. Doesn't make any difference to them. Bridge for the main water line, and this is the steps. There's normally a fishing platform there, but it's flooded. Still up, just a few hours later. Handrail gets down to the fishing deck. It's the riverbank. Where that graffiti is on that wall, that's the underpass. And there's no railing on the side of the river, it's completely submerged. So we'll get a better look at that.